Imagine drilling so deep that steel twists rock flows like warm plastic, and the Earth literally bleeds hydrogen gas. That's not sci-fi. That's what happens when humans punch into the planet's skin. I'm taking you inside Earth's deepest human-made holes and the shocking things they revealed about how our world actually works. First stop, the Kola Superdeep borehole in Russia, a lone metal cap on a desolate pad. But beneath it runs a scar, 12,262 meters down. Deeper than Everest is tall. Down there, the unexpected started early. Temperatures surged to around 180 degrees. Rock began behaving like very slow taffy. Drill bits warped, mud boiled. Every meter became a battle. The real shock wasn't just the heat. Seismologists expected the Conrad discontinuity. Kola didn't find it. Instead, seismic jumps came from rocks changing structure under pressure and heat. That means earthquake signals tell stories of transformation, not just layers. Kola also found water, deep, not pools or lakes, water locked in minerals, squeezed out and saturating fractures kilometers down. This matters. The crust isn't a dry, brittle shell, it's a dynamic sponge. Fluids can migrate. They carry heat and metals. They even lubricate faults. Pressurized fluids help explain how earthquakes start and where ore deposits form. Oh, and the smell? Hydrogen, lots of it. Drillers joked the Earth was breathing. Hydrogen forms when iron-rich rocks react with hot water. That chemistry might feed deep microbial life. It could echo chemistry relevant to life's origins. Germany's KTB borehole hit over 9,000 meters. It showed seismic mirrors can be fluid-filled fractures, stacked like panes of glass, reflecting waves. That reframes seismic images. Bright reflectors may mean wet, stressed, and potentially unstable zones. That's critical for earthquake hazards and geothermal potential. Drill depth records. Oil and gas wells have gone even farther. The Z44 Chavo well reaches over 12 kilometers measured length. Not as vertical as Kola, but proof we can thread a needle through rock for absurd distances. So what does all this change? Three big implications. 1, the crust is hotter. 2, the crust is wetter. 3, the crust is more complex than textbook layers suggest. That challenges simple heat flow models and pushes geothermal possibilities, if you can handle the fluids and heat. Seismic jumps don't always mean new rock types. They can mean the same rocks under different conditions. That makes earthquake interpretation trickier, but more accurate. Deep fluids move metals and hydrogen. That reshapes ore genesis. That reshapes where we find critical minerals. And it points to a future where natural hydrogen could be an energy source. We tried to dig to the mantle and failed. And that failure was the discovery. The planet isn't a stack of pancakes, it's a living, sweating, pressurized machine. Every meter we drill swaps certainty for curiosity, the best trade in science. The deepest holes didn't just go down, they opened a new way of seeing Earth, not layers to label, but processes to understand. That gives a clearer path to safer cities, smarter energy, and a deeper grasp of the world beneath our feet. If you enjoyed going underground, I've got more rabbit holes, some even stranger.